It's been a few months and think we're overdue for a Skin Illustrator Glo-Worm look. Let's make some mermaid ears. Take some aluminum wire and make a C shape, curling the ends to keep them from stabbing you. Take 2 pieces, fold it in half, and wrap them around the C shape, wrapping some electrical tape around the base to keep them from twisting. Crumple up some iridescent film, coat the wire with Pomade, and press it onto the film. Apply glue in the spaces between the wire. Press the second piece over top. Cut it out, then define the shape to look more like fins. Use the lighter to melt and seal the edges. Airbrush some black Createx Wicked paint at the base and up each wire. Did this on the back since it's really matte and didn't want to take away from the shine. Now the Createx purple isn't as matte, so I did apply that on the front. Glue down your eyebrows with a glue stick. Mehron Paradise Paint palette and use the storm cloud color for a base. From the palette, take the white into an airbrush and create highlights. Wanted to change the shape of the face, so created an effect of a higher brow. Use the violet as a contouring color in the cheek hollows and temples. Apply the black directly under the white highlight. This gives the brow shape more dimension. Really carve out those cheeks and paint over the ears. Take some black eyeshadow on a brush to create transition into the highlight. Blend out some purple shadow around the lips. Painted the storm cloud color over any exposed skin over the eye. Mehron edge in black to paint the gills along the cheeks. Mehron edge in white for bright highlights along the black. Finish painting the gray color under the eyes and press some white eyeshadow into it so it blends into the airbrushed area. Apply a little purple eyeshadow. Mehron Paradise Paint palette, taking Wild Orchid for the scale texture up the forehead. Line the brow with some black Mehron. Add a few bright white highlights. KVD Glimmer Veil and Reverb over the lips. Mix the lilac color for a winged eyeliner and added some white details on the underside, also around the inner corners of the eyes. Apply some white freckles across the cheeks. Now let's get glowing. Skin Illustrator Glo-Worm and a thin brush, draw out the skull. Shape the skull by airbrushing Glo-Worm. Add some lashes and pop in some UV lenses. The bodysuit was painted with Createx Wicked paint and Mehron. The skeleton painted over top with Skin Illustrator Glo-Worm. Hope you enjoyed this UV aquatic look. See you next time.